you close the door so that the devils would not be able to enter.
So, Sheikh, could you please be kind and make a voice demonstration on what's the minimal voice loudness of saying Bismillah and Salam when entering a house? Can it be whispering or does it have to be somewhat louder?
Well, you cannot hear this properly. Usually, it has to be said loudly, because if you're saying salam to someone who's not in the house, you're usually saying it to the angels. So you say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah to yourself and to whomever is in the house. And if you whisper it, would it count? If there were any of your relatives, they would not have heard you and they would not reply to you. So you would say it not in a shouting voice, normal voice, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, normal voice, Bismillah, and you close the door so that the devils would not be able to enter, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.
If a person makes an inappropriate joke about Islam that constitutes kufr, and then they just say something like Astaghfirullah and seek the forgiveness of Allah, not knowing that it constituted kufr and that they needed to retake the shahada, and they just continue their lives thinking that they're Muslim and they live their lives as Muslims and they pray and fast and everything, would they die as disbelievers because they didn't repent from kufr?
The verse in Surah At-Tawbah, chapter 9, I believe it's 65 and 66, indicates that joking, ridiculing, or making fun of anything of the Sharia, knowingly or unknowingly, intentionally or unintentionally, takes a person out of the fold of Islam. As Allah said, قَدْ كَفَرْتُمْ بَعْدَ إِيمَانِكُمْ. You have committed kufr after being labeled as Muslims or believers. Nevertheless, scholars of Islam say, if a person did such a sin without paying attention to it, though he exited the fold of Islam, but because he's unaware of it, and he prayed afterwards and said the Shahada a gazillion times afterwards, he's Muslim and he would die as a Muslim. Who made that joke, someone who made fun of Qur'an or Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, of one of the rituals of the deen, and he is aware, he's mindful of it, he knows it, but he did not repent, yet he remembers it. He did not ask Allah for forgiveness for it. This guy is a kafir, a full-fledged kafir.